Hi, I'm Carolyn Hartog with Amazing Business Results, and today we're going to talk about record views inside of Zoho Recruit. So the first thing we're going to do is click on any module. So for example, job openings, and this will take us to our list view, which we went over in a separate video. And from there, we'll just click on any record. And once we click on a record, that is what is taking us to the record view. So there's a lot going on this view. So let's break it down. Number one, we have the title of the job opening in the upper left-hand corner. We have the status. So this one is in progress. And you can mark it as hot over here too. So if I click this little flame, then it'll mark it as a hot job. If we go down a little bit, we have our pipeline. So it tells us how many candidates we are screening. So right now we are screening 29, and it would, as we do things in the system, it will progress this pipeline on its own. So if we have interviews set up that are associated with this, it'll show that it's an interviewed or offered if we offer this job to someone. So the pipeline is a little different because inside of CRM, you have to click through things. Inside of Zoho Recruit, it is set up for it to progress itself based on certain actions, unless you go in and create your own blueprint and set it up to do that on its own. Which, if you do need help setting up a blueprint or getting it set up, then you can always contact us at Amazing Business Results, and we'll be happy to help you with that. Next, we have our business card. So on the business card, just like in CRM, you're able to change what fields you have here. So you can change these to whatever fields you want. And the idea of the business card is to have the most important information at the top of the record so that your recruiter is not having to search through the entire record for the information that he looks at or she looks at over and over again. From there, we have our sections and our fields. So the bold here, that is considered a section, and then it has fields within it. And of course, these are all customizable. And then if we go over to the right-hand side, we have Zia, which is Zoho's AI. So you can use Zia in here as well. We can edit the record. We can associate this with candidates so that we can create an application, or we can publish this to our job boards or career site. So if we publish it, if we have, for example, Indeed integrated with Zoho Recruit, then we can click this button to publish it onto Indeed. Then we have a few more options over here. We can schedule an interview. We have calendar bookings. We can find matching candidates. You can share to vendors if you have a vendor that is involved in your recruiting process. You can also customize your job board from here. You can generate an offer letter, and then we can clone it or delete it, which I never recommend deleting anything in your system. So that will be all of your options on the record view. And of course, it'll be a little bit different depending on what module you're in, because you need different fields and different information. But overall, it is very, very similar.